darkness so profound. The reaper grabbed him, took his breath away in the middle of the night. Oh, we celebrate the lives of the dead. It's like a man's best party, it only happens when he dies. We gather round to pay our respects, while their souls are still searching for the light, searching for the light. So please don't come to me on my dying day. Just let me go in peace, with all the things that I forgot to say racing through my mind. Oh, and don't you bury me 6 feet under